Hello guys! So, this is part 2. So, ito na po yung part na nakasakay na ako ng LRT coming from Dr. A. Santos. So, pause na pause ako niyan. Sobrang init po talaga nung actually naglakad ako. So, yan. In fairness, maganda yung view from the top. Pero mainit. So, while in-enjoy ko yung view at yung luwag ng LRT na sinasakyan ko, guys. So, if you're planning to use this as a mode of transportation, going to MOA, it's a better alternative if you're the type of person na ayaw mag-jeep. If you wanna go to MOA, either that you take, get off at MIA station, or Redemptorist station. So, it's either of those two, pwede kayong bumaba going to MOA. Pero kung gusto niyo yung actual na malapit na sa MOA, yung konting lakad na lang MOA, I would recommend taking off MIA station ng LRT. And 317, so kung mapapansin nyo, I'm already at Taft Avenue Station. So, that's almost like an hour na biyahe. Isipin nyo, an hour na biyahe. But more than an hour. Guys, just to let you know, hindi ko na po na-film yung part na sumakay na ako ng MRT kasi po bawal po talaga mag-vlog sa loob ng MRT. Actually, when I was taking these shots, medyo patago. And kung mapapansin nyo, medyo I try to relax myself kasi may security na nagra-rounds. And yan, ito na papunta na ako ng Ayala Station. So, hindi ko na masyado kinunan. And finally here. So guys, nandito na ako sa Ayala. So just a summary, umalis ako ng 1:59 from Parañaque sa bahay. And then I arrived here in Ayala via LRT, Dr. A. Santos station, which is in Sucat. Going to here in Ayala, siguro maglaan kayo ng mga isang oras or 1 to 2 hours na travel time. Kasi yung traffic mismo sa Dr. A. Santos Avenue, sobrang medyo may pagka-stop and go. Yun pa yung nag-a-add. So medyo, siya, mas mahaba yung travel time ko versus taking the usual route, which is like from my home going to Bicutan, from Bicutan going to Ayala, which takes around like an hour. So just to summarize everything, kasi alam nyo naman yung yung aking biyahe papuntang BGC, which is my work. I'm gonna be on site na. So again, see ya tomorrow. Bye-bye.